Jazz box is made up of 4 steps. You can lead with the right or the left. If we're leading with the right, we step the right across, step the left back, take the right to the side and step the left next to the right, putting all the weight in it. So if we do that together, taking the right across, ready, and cross, back, side, together, putting all the weight in the left. Now let's do a couple of jazz boxes in a row. Ready, and cross, back, side, together, cross, back, side, together. Now we can practice doing a jazz box leading with the left. They don't happen as often, but you do come across them. So taking the left across, ready, and cross, back, side, together. Making sure all the weight's in the right and the end this time. So, and again, leading with your left, ready, and cross, back, side, together. You can also have a jazz box with a cross. So you're taking the right across, stepping cross, back, side. Instead of stepping together, you step across, taking all the way into the left. So a jazz with a cross, leading with the right, ready, and cross, back, side, cross. You can also do that leading with the left. Weights in the right, take the left across, ready, and cross, back, side, cross. And there are other variations. To make a quarter turning jazz, the footwork stays exactly the same. So if we want to do a jazz leading with the right and we want to turn a quarter turn to the right, you use your head and shoulders. So you step across on the right, turn to look to where you want to go with your head and shoulders, step back on the left as you would before, step the right to the side and step the left next to the right. So practicing again that quarter turning jazz, taking the right across, ready, and cross, turn back, side, together.